Welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. In this part 65 video, I like to do a quick review of rules associated with dividing fractions, right? So when we divide fractions, remember it's a keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Okay, we're going to keep the first fraction the same, 1/4, right? We're going to change division into multiplication, and then we can flip this next fraction. 3 will be on the bottom, and then 4 will be on the top of the fraction. Okay, so we keep 1/4, 1/4. We change the division to multiplication, and then we flip the fraction. 3 is now in the denominator's place, 4 is now in the numerator's place of the fraction. So here, when we multiply, if you haven't seen my videos yet, check out my videos on multiplying fractions. We multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Now here's a good example. I have a 4 in the denominator's place of this fraction. I have a 4 in the numerator's place, or the top part of this fraction. Here I could cross cancel. Again, I've created some videos on cross canceling. Please go back, watch these fraction videos from part 1 all the way through to the end. I've covered cross canceling. What number can be divided evenly into 4? 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now you can multiply top to top, bottom to bottom. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. If you do that, you won't have to reduce your final answer fraction. Let me show you what that looks like, just in case you didn't catch that cross cancel. Okay, so again, 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. We have 4 12ths. Now you must try to reduce your fractions. I have an even number on top, 4. I have an even number, 12, on the bottom. I know I can divide at least 2 into top and bottom. And if I did divide 2 into top and bottom, I'd have to do it twice, because I would end up with 2/6. And 2/6 dividing 2 into the top, 2 in the bottom, I get 1/3, right? But I know 4 can be divided evenly into top and bottom. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this is what I meant by having to reduce your final answer fraction. Okay, if you did that cross cancel, 4 goes into 4 one time, 4 goes into 4 one time, multiply, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. You would have already ended up with that 1/3 reduced value fraction. So if you can, you want to try to reduce your fractions before you multiply. So now we have the 1/3 value. Every fraction is a division problem. 1 divided by 3. So here's 1 divisor bar 3. Show your invisible decimal to the right of the ones place. Raise it right above that divisor bar. 3 times no whole number will get me 1. So I'll move over, and that 1 turns into a 10. 3 times 3 gets me closest to 10 without going over. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down the 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 take away 10 leaves me 1. Bring down the 0. So you can see this 3, 3, 3, 3 will continue to repeat. That's what that little symbol above the 3 means. So 1/3 is equal to 0.333, or 333 thousandths, I think is the way you would say that. Please send me a comment and correct me if I am wrong. So this was just a quick review video before we get into any further explanations. I do want to say also that if you're not watching full screen and you're watching some other different mode or method, then you could be cutting off some key parts of the video, which could make things confusing. So do yourself a favor watching full screen. It'll be crystal clear for you. Hey, math's easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. I've got a bunch more examples of dividing fractions as decimals, but I want to do this quick review before we start getting into that. Yeah, math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. If I have helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time.